Alright, so we are continuing our study on more in-depth.
Did you bring us moms, guys, to study?
No, it's 8 o'clock in the morning.
So? I don't really see the point of your
Okay, so if we look at this concept map up here, guys, remember we started with quadrilaterals, then we had parallelograms, but now from here it branches off into 2 branches. Yesterday was rectangles, and now we are on rhombuses or rhombi, is the other plural version of that. So, obviously it's going to have all the same properties of a parallelogram since it comes from one, and it's just a special one. And then it has 3 of its own, which makes it a rhombus. All 4 sides are the same. Diagonals are perpendicular, which means they make what kind of angles? 90. So all these angles in the middle are 90 degrees. And then it says the diagonals bisect the angles. What angles are talking about are these corner ones. So just like a parallelogram, they still have to be supplementary. So if this was 100 and this was 80, what would this little chunk of it be? 50. And then this would be 50. And what would this one be? Half of 80, which would be 40 and 40. And what's nice, because remember opposite angles are congruent, so then these 2 little angles over here are 40 and 40, and then these are 50 and 50. So when you are finding angle measures in a rhombus, you should really only get 3 different measures. The middle is always 90, and you have a bunch of just equal angles. Let's practice finding some side lengths on here, okay? So we're given it's a rhombus. JK is 12. And JN is 7. Do we know what JN is? Right? 12, right? All sides are the same? 12. What about JL?
14.
Yep, 7 plus 7 gives me 14. MN. Do I know my diagonals are congruent? No. But what kind of an angle is right here? 90. And then what kind of a triangle is this? So what formula can I use? Okay, you're gonna be around.
Oh, it's so easy. Right now.
Right now,
In the real life world, in my adult life,
Right.
how many times in your adult life?
There only for
Oh, in your adult life. you're gonna
Oh.
Yep, you can only use it if it's a right triangle. You guys need calculators?
You take
They just happen to be easy.
yeah, I kind of struggle with that too.
How many
people times a day?
We'll get back quick. I love what
You get a business class.
What's 144 minus 49?
Oh, yes. I'm the same except my favorite.
And square root of 95, folks?
9.7.
9.7. That's MN. Then what would MK be?
19.
19.4. 9.7 times 2. 19.4. Good work. Okay, try the next one on your own. Same idea, or start it at least. See how far you get before you get stuck. Think you're gonna have to use Pythagorean theorem, right?
Yep.
All right.
I'm not doing anything wrong. Oh, wait.
Process, right? Just the wrong number.
Oh my god.
All right, I'm gonna assume that we're talking because we're done. What is GF? 23. Thank you, Reggie. What about HF?
20.
20, half of 40. What'd you find for GH?
11.4.
Love it, 11.4
22.8.
and 22.8. You guys rock. Nice work. Okay, let's try our hand at the angles. So when I do these, I just go around my picture first before I even try to fill in the blanks, okay? So what's the middle angle always? These middle angles are 90. And what other angles are 38 degrees?
3, 4, 5.
3, 4, and 5. Perfect. How can I find angle 6?
90 plus 38. And then subtract that from 128.
Yep. So what do we get for our final answer?
52.
Aren't these nice? I love these.
It was really easy.
Why?
Can't
That makes me sad, Brayden. This was Pythagorean theorem.
You know, maybe it's just like to have more positive outlook on aspects of your life.
We never get the recognition.
Just saying.
Never get the recognition.
I'm not a counselor.
Do we have a pretty good grasp on rhombuses? Okay, let's move on to squares. Okay, look at the smartboard for a second. So do you see how squares come from both rectangles and rhombuses? So you gotta think. If like a rectangle and a rhombus had a baby, it'd be a square. So it has properties of a parallelogram, rectangle, and a rhombus. Okay?
I thought it was hilarious when.
I wasn't trying to be funny, I was just trying to make it easy for you to understand.
Oh.
So it has all these properties, which makes it kind of nice and easy. So I only have 2 kinds of angles. Shh, why are you talking? Thank you. What are my middle angles? 90. And what would these little ones be?
45.
Oh, yeah.
90 and a quarter, but split them in half, and they're 45.
I was right. So that's wrong.
Okay? So they have two kinds of angles and a square. Alright, let's see what we know. AD is 11.
I saw some triangles I can do.
What is BC?
11.
11. What about AC?
Yes. It's exactly
No, it's not 11.
Okay, what kind of an angle's right here? And what's DC?
11.
So can I do Pythagorean theorem? 11 squared plus 11 squared equals x squared. What did you guys find the square root of 242 to be?
15.6.
Yeah.
Agreed, everyone?
See.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's AC. So then what's BD?
15.6.
15.6, yep, it's the exact same thing. And EC would just be half of that, so 7.8. Nice work.
Those are really easy.
And the angles are really easy. Angle DAB, 90, it's in a corner. AEB, 90.
You mean loan bringer?
CBD,
45.
and BAC,
45.
45.
Why are you such a hater?
Alright guys, how are you to find X?
We can do 7x plus 3
There.
equals 2. And then give us 90.
Good, or wait, is it equal to 45? I don't know why you guys think you can talk over me when I'm trying to teach you. If you know what's going on, then you should be up here teaching. How am I going to find X?
Plus 3 equals 45.
Alright, find it. Subtract 3.
What's it? X equals 6.
X equals 6.